Now we will start the Bahuvachana Rupams of Shashti Vibhakti and the Dvivachana Rupams of Shashti Vibhakti. So we talked the Ekavachana forms. Now it is the time to start the Bahuvachana forms. So first of all, I'll tell you the Artha Bodham is important. The meaning is important. And then you can do all the memorization yourself. You don't need that. You don't need me for that. You can listen to this video. There are hundreds of other videos on YouTube, or you can take the book and you can do the memorization. But Ekavachane, we have learned all the Ekavachana forms we have learned. Balasya, Gramasya, Yuvakasya, Mitrasya, Nagarasya, which means the Balas, the Gramas, the Yuvas, the Yuvakas, the Yuvaks, the youth fellows, Mitrasya, the friends, Nagarasya, the Nagarams, the cities, that apostrophe S. It is not plural S, I am talking about apostrophe S, showing Sambandha. Balasya, Dvivachanam will be Balayoho. Balakasya will become Balakayoho. Atra ka na likhitam. Kevalam Bala Shabdasya eva. Balaha Ekavajanam Pradama Vibhakti. The Shashti Vibhakti will be Balasya. Balasya Nama Balakrishna. Balayoho. Balayoho ityukte two boys and their Sambandha. Two boys and their Sambandha. Balanam ityukte all the boys and theirs. That all the boys and theirs. I'll give you a Vakya example. Balasya Kandugam. The boys ball. Balayoho Kandugam. Kandugam ityukte ball eva, ball. Balayoho Kandugam. The two boys, their ball. The two boys are there, their ball. Balayoho Kandugam. Balanam Kandugam. Balanam Kandugam. Balanam Kandugam is lot of boys are there, 3 or more boys are there. Their ball. How many balls are there? I have only told about one ball right now, because in our olden days, whenever we were childhood, in our childhood, we know Lakshman and me in this class, we are all childhood friends. So we will not have at that time, everybody was not rich and affluent like today. So there are 10 people playing a game. So we will all put, for buying a ball, 15 rupees, 10 rupees ball, we will all put 1 rupee, 1.5 rupee, 2 rupee, 50 paisa, and we will all buy a ball. Today nobody, everybody's mother and father are all good enough, rich enough to buy ball and cricket bat and even wicket and all the stumps also for their children. At that time we did not have. So we will put money and we will buy it, the ball or the wicket or the stumps and all that. And it will be a collective, it will be collectively owned. Iti karanat balanam kandugam. The ball belongs to all the boys. Balasya kandugam, balasya pustakam, one boy's book. Balayoho pustakam, the two boys and one common book. Balayoho pustakam. Balanam Pustakam, one book. Let us assume this is a common book of the classroom and belongs to everybody in the class. Balanam Pustakam. Balasya, Balayoho, Balanam. Gramasya, Shashti Vibhakti Ekavajanam. Gramayoho, two villages. Gramasya Nama. The village name is Gramasya Nama Kodungalur. The village, one village, and the village name is Kodungalur. Gramasya Nama. Gramayoho Nama Kodungalur. Just let us think that there are two villages, and both the villages are called Kodungalur only. Just for the purpose of discussion, Gramayoho Nama Kodungalur. Gramayoho Nama Kodungalur. Two villages, same name, Gramayoho Nama Kodungalur. For example, Kochi is a city and it is a Nagaram. So it is the same city name. Kochi is there in Japan also. I have read it in some book. So you will say Nagarayoho Nama Kochi. One Nagaram is in India, one Nagaram is in Japan. But you want to say two Nagarams and their name is Kochi. So you will say Japan Madhye bhi asti Kochi Nagaram. Bharata Deshe, Kerala Pradeshe, Kerala Rajye abhi Kochi Nagaram asti. Nagarayoho Nama Kochi eva. The two Nagarams and their name is Kochi only. Nagarayoho. But here it is written Gramayoho. I explained Nagarayoho because Kochi is not a village, it's a city. So I told Nagarayoho. Gramayoho, same meaning. The two villages and their two villages. Gramanam, Gramanam, all the villages and their Gramanam. Gramanam Samaja Bhavanam. It means all there are multiple villages in a place, and they have one Samaja Bhavanam. Gramanam, all the villages and their villages Samaja Bhavanam. Gramasya Samaja Bhavanam, Gramayoho Samaja Bhavanam. Two villages, they share one Samaja Bhavanam. Gramanam Samaja Bhavanam. All the villages and they share one Samaja Bhavanam. You can say Gramanam Samaja Bhavanam. Samaja Bhavanam. These are all Shashti Pullinga eva. Balasya, Balayoho, Balanam. But Pradama Shashti Vibhakti Ekavajanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Yuvakasya, Yuvakayoho, Yuvakanam. One Yuvakaha, two Yuvakaha and theirs, Yuvakanam. Three or more Yuvakas and theirs. Yuvakanam Grandashala. It means it is a Grandashala of the youth. So many youth are there. Yuvakasya Grandashala. Normally, you will not have one person having Grandashala, but you can have a Grandashala in your house also. So, Yuvakasya Grandashala. One youth and his Grandashala. Yuvakayoho Grandashala. Balakayoho Pustakam Tadrisham. Yuvakayoho. Just, I am trying to explain the Artha Bodham. It's very important. Shashti Vibhakti Tyukte, it belongs to them. Yuvakayoho. Yuvakanam Grandashala. Yuvakanam Kridanganam. It means it is a Kridanganam. Kridanganam is the playground of all these. Let us say it belongs to all these youth. Three or more youth are there. Then you will call them Yuvakanam Kridanganam. Mitrasya. One Mitra. Mitrasya Pustakam. Mitrayoho Pustakam. Two Mitrams and their book. Mitranam Pustakam. Which means all these Mitras and they have one book. Mitranam. You can say Mitranam Pustakani also. Okay. So there are so many books and so many friends. You can say Mitranam Pustakani. Or if there is only one book belongs to everybody, you will say Mitranam Pustakam. For me, what is important is that Nam and that Nam at the end, because that shows the plural form of the Shashti Vibhakti. Nagarasya Nagarayoho Nagaranam. One Nagaram and its Nagarayoho, two Nagarams and its Nagarayoho Nama Kochi, two cities and their name is Kochi. Nagaranam, Nagaranam with all the Nagarams and Nagaranam Samaja Bhavanam, the Samaja Bhavanam which belongs to all the Nagarams. Akaranda Srilinga Padas. So let us get into Balika. Will become Balikayaha. One Balika. Balikaha. Balika is Shashti Vibhakti. Pradama Vibhakti Ekavajanam. Shashti Vibhakti will become Balikayaha. Balikayaha Pustakam. Balikayoho Pustakam. Two Balikas and their book. Balikanam Pustakam. I am fixated with this book because the book is in front of me. Okay. Otherwise, you can use any other object. Balikayaha Graham. Balikayoho Graham. Balikanam Graham. Balikaha Vastram. Balikayoho Vastram. Balikanam Vastram. You can also say one Vastram cannot be shared by a lot of girls. So you say Balikanam Vastrani. Vastram of all the kids, girls put together is Balikanam Vastrani. Mahilayaha. Mahilayaha Shatika Uttama. One Mahila is there and you want to say her sari is very good. So you will say Mahilayaha Shatika Uttama. Mahilayoho Shatika Uttama. Two ladies are there and they have a similar kind of uniform kind of sari. So you want to say that sari is very good. So you will say Mahilayoho Shatika Uttama. You can also say Mahilayoho Shatike if they are wearing two different saris. But here my example is they are wearing one common type of sari which looks like a uniform. So you will say two saris, sari worn by those two ladies. So how do you say that? Those two ladies. Whose saris? Those two ladies. So I will say Mahilayoho sari uttama. The sari is very good. But Mahilanam sari shatikaha uttamaha. The sari worn by all those females. Whose sari? All those females, all those ladies. Mahilanam, Mahilayaha, Mahilayoho, Mahilanam. One lady and her sari, Mahilayaha sari. Two ladies and their one sari, Mahilayoho shatika. All, a lot of ladies and their saris, I'll say Mahilanam Shatikaha. Shatikaha is an object, so it gets a Pradama Vibhakti. Shatikaha is a subject, what do you call it gets Shashti Vibhakti. What? Shatika. Shatikaha. Mahilanam Shatikaha Uttamaha. Mahilanam Shatikaha Uttamaha. Some of the things which I'm teaching you here are not actually Pravesha level. Shatikaha Uttamaha. Shatika. The reason why I'm saying like that, because that is the right grammatical way of saying it. Shatika Uttama, Shatikaha Uttamaha. But that we will learn in the Parichaya level, in the next level. Vanitayaha Shatika, one lady's sari. Vanitayoho Shatike. Here I am using Shatike because there are two different saris. So Vanitayoho, two ladies are there. Vanitayoho Shatike. Vanitanam Shatikaha. Vanitanam. Shatika is a akara and the Strilinga padameva. So Shatika, Shatike, Shatika. Vanitanam Shatikaha. All the ladies and their saris. Petika. Petika is peti, box. Petikayaha. One peti and petikayaha. Petikayaha. Petikayoho. Two boxes and the Shashti Vibhakti. Petikanam. All the boxes and the Shashti Vibhakti is Petikanam. Vatika. Vatika is Pradama Vibhakti Ekavadanam is Vatika, is garden. Vatikaha, Vatikayaha Nama Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Udyanam. Vatikayaha Nama Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Udyanam. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya is a founder leader of Janasangh, which later on became Bharatiya Janata Party. And Deen Dayal Upadhyaya was the first Janasangh president, Adhyakshaha, at a very young age. But in the Mughal Sarai railway station, he was found in Uttar Pradesh. He was found dead long back, I think sometime in 1960s or so. And the railway station is now named Deenadayal Upadhyaya Railway Sthanakam. Railway Sthanakasya nama kim? Railway Sthanakasya. The station's name is Deenadayal Upadhyaya Railway Sthanakam. Vatikayaha in Powai, there is a Vatika. The name of the Vatika is Deenadayal Upadhyaya Udyanam. Vatikayaha nama kim? Vatikayaha nama Deenadayal Upadhyaya Udyanam. Vatikayoho. Two Vatikas are there. Two Vatikas are there, and let us assume for the purpose of our class, just to get the Arthabodham of that, the name is Deenadayal Upadhyaya Udyanam. Then what will you say? Vatikayoho nama Deenadayal Udyanam eva. Deenadayal Upadhyaya Udyanam eva. Only eva. Eva means it is the same. Vatikayoho nama. Vatikanam nama. Vatikanam is all the Vatikas and theirs. Vatikanam. Vatikanam nama. Let us say it is whatever it is. Vatikanam nama. Vatikayaha. One Vatika and its Vatikayoho. Two Vatikas and theirs. Vatikanam. Three or more Vatikas and theirs. That theirs, its, that is Shashti Vibhakti. Nadi. These are all Ikara and the Strilinga Padas eva. Nadi, Nadya. Lekhani, Lekhanyaha. All the Ekavadanams I'll say first, because already you learned that. Sundari, Sundaryaha. Sundaryaha. Duravani, Duravanyaha. Sahodari, Sahodaryaha. So what is the Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam of Shashti Vibhakti? Nadyaha, Nadyoho, Nadinam. Nadyaha nama Gangasti. Nadyoho nama Ganga, Kaveri, स्तः नदीनां नाम गंगा कावेरी सिंधु महानदी पेरियार सन्ति नद्याः नाम गंगा अस्ति नद्योः नाम गंगा यमुना स्तः नदीनां नाम गंगा यमुना गोदावरी कावेरी महानदी सरस्वती सन्ति. When plural comes, santi will come. Ekavachanam asti. I think I did not tell you this. Asti stha santi in the earlier two cases of Shashti Vibhakti, but it is common. Asti stha santi. Nadyaha nama Ganga. Nadyoho nama Ganga Yamuna stha. Nadinam nama Ganga Yamuna Godavari Kaveri santi. Lekhani lekhanyaha. Lekhanyaha, one pen and its lekhanyoho. Lekhanyoho nama, let us say Hero and Bismi, two names pen I've got. Lekhanyoho nama, Hero, Bismi, Staha. Lekhani nam. Lekhani nam means lot of lekhanis, lot of pens and theirs. Sundari, sundaryaha, sundaryoho, sundari nam. Sundaryaha, one sundari and hers. Two sundaris and theirs, three or more sundaris and theirs, sundari nam. These are all Shashti Vibhaktis that we are talking about. Sundaryaha, sundaryoho, sundari nam. Duravani, Pradama Vibhakti Ekavajanam. Duravani Shashti Vibhakti will become Duravanyaha. Duravanyaha nama Nokia. Duravanyoho nama Nokia iPhone Staha. Duravani nam Nama, Nokia, iPhone, Motorola, Samsung, Santi. Three or more, Santi. Duravani Nam. All the Duravanis and their names. Sahodari, Pradama Vibhakti, Ekavajanam. But Shashti Vibhakti Ekavajanam will begin Sahodar, Sahodaryaha. Sahodaryaha. Sahodaryoho. Sahodarinam. It is not Sahodaraha. If it is Sahodaraha, it will become Sahodarasya, Sahodaryoho, as in the earlier example, if it is Sahodaraha, but here it is Sahodari, Sahodaryaha, Sahodaryoho, Sahodarinam. Sahodaryaha will become Sahodaryaha, Sahodaraha with Pradama Vibhakti will become Sahodaryaha. But here it is Sahodari is given because all I'm talking about is Ikara and the Sri Linga Padams itself. So it will become Sahodaryaha, Sahodaryoho, Sahodarinam. This is the Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Bahuvachanam and Dvivachanam. It might be a little overwhelming, but just go listen to the video once, or because just in one listening you can't learn this. This requires constant listening, constant practice for you to get used to this. And I know there will be some doubts after this. We will come to the doubts, but I am in a little hurry today because I have to finish Shashti Vibhakti, and I also thought of teaching something more other than Shashti Vibhakti. So we have to go a little fast, but at the end of it, I'll take all your questions. Bhavan will become Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Bhavan is Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam, we already know it. Bhavataha, Bhavataha, Bhavatoho, Bhavatam. So it's a little different. It is not it is not Ramaha, Ramau, Rama, Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam, but it is not like that. Here the plural one is Bhavatam, Bhavatasya, Bhavatoho, two Bhavans and theirs, Bhavatam, Bhavataha Rajyam Keralam. Your Rajyam, your state is Kerala. Bhavatoho Rajyam Keralam. Two people are standing and you're telling their Rajyam is Keralam. Bhavatoho Rajyam Keralam. Bhavatam Rajyam Bharatam. All of yours. Bhavatam. Bhavatam Rajyam. Rajyam nahi, Rashtra. Rajyam is state. Rashtram is country. Bhavatam Rashtram Bharatam. Bhavatam Rajyam Maharashtram. If all of you are from Maharashtram, then I will say Bhavatam Rajyam Maharashtram. You are all there, and your Rajyam is Maharashtram. Bhavatam Rashtram Bharatam. Bhavati is quite straightforward. Bhavati ekavachanam षष्ठी vibhakti is bhavatyaha. Bhavatyaha nama kim? Bhavatyaha nama Rinku, Rinki. Bhavatyaha nama Lakshmi. Bhavatyaha nama Sheetal. Bhavatyaha. Whereas Bhavatyaha ekavachanam षष्ठी eva Bhavatyoho. Bhavatyoho. Two ladies and theirs. Bhavatyoho Shatika. Two ladies and their sari. Bhavatyoho Shatika. Bhavatinam Shatikaha. Lot of ladies are there and lot of saris are there and it belongs to all of them. Then I'll say Bhavatinam Shatikaha. Bhavatinam Shatikaha. Bhavatyaha Shatika. Bhavatyoho Shatika. If there is only one sari which is common to both of them. If there are two saris, I'll say Bhavatyoho Shatike. Bhavatinam Shatikaha. Lot of saris, lot of ladies. Bhavatinam Shatikaha. The only difference here is Bhavataha Bhavatoho. Bhavatanam. It is not Ramanam or it is not like that. It is Bhavatam. So Bhavataha Bhavatoho Bhavatam. Bhavatyaha Bhavatyoho Bhavatinam. That Srilingam is not confusing. If you learned the Ikara and the Srilinga Shabad. Nadyaha Nadyoho Nadinam Bhavatyaha Bhavatyoho Bhavatinam. Whereas Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam is not completely followed here. It is Bhavataha Bhavatoho Bhavatam. Bhavatam is important. It is not Bhavatanam, it is Bhavatam. So you have to remember it. Bhavataha Bhavatoho Bhavatam Bhavatyaha Bhavatyoho Bhavatinam. Then comes the Trishu Lingeshu forms. Whatever I told you. Asmat Shabdam. Mine. Mama. I is Pradama Vibhakti. Aham. Mama. Mama Pustakam. There is one more friend standing near me. Avayoho Pustakam. Two people are standing and our book. Avayoho Pustakam. Asmadam Griham. Our house. Asmadam Kakshya. Our class. Asmadam. All of ours. Mama Kakshya. My class. Avayoho Kakshya. I am talking to Pratap Mahodaya here and we are saying Avayoho Kakshya. Our class. Only me and Pratap Mahodaya are there. Asmadam Kakshya. All of ours and our class. Asmadam Kakshya. Tava Kakshya. Your class. I am talking to, let us say, Anita Bhagini here. And I am telling her, Tava Kakshya. Your class. Yuvayoho Kakshya. Two people are there and their class. Anita Bhagini and Lalita Bhagini. Yuvayoho Kakshya. Yuvayoho Kakshya. Yushmagam Kakshya. And I told you this is a Trishilingeshu Eva. So Yushmagam. All of yours class. Suppose this is not my class and it is all of yours class. I'll say Yushmagam Kakshya. So it is Tvam Yuvam Yuyam is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Dvivachanam Bahuvachanam. The Shashti Vibhakti is Tava Yuvayoho Yushmagam. All of yours. Yushmagam Kakshya. That yours, that apostrophe yes, is what Shashti Vibhakti is. Not over yet. There are some Sarvanam Shabdas also. Saha, the Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Tasya. Tasya Pustakam. Tasya Pustakam. His book. He is far away from me. Tasya Pustakam. Tayoho Pustakam. Tayoho Griham. Tayoho Griham. Kutra asti. I met, I saw two people standing there and I am asking them, I am asking somebody, Tayoho, there. Okay, I am not, if I am asking them, then I will ask Yuvayoho. Tava Yuvayoho, or I will ask Bhavatoho. But since they are standing far away from me and I am asking where is their house, Tayoho Griham Kutra, where is their house? Only two of them are there. Tayoho Griham Povai Nagare Asti. Their house, because there are two people and it is one common house, Tayoho Griham. Suppose husband and wife are standing, I can say, Tayoho Griham Kutra Asti. तयोः गृहं पवई नगरे अस्ति तेषां गृहं कुत्र अस्ति तेषां all of theirs lot of people are standing there तेषां गृहं कुत्र अस्ति suppose there are 5 people from a family तेषां गृहं चेन्नई नगरी मुंबई नगर्याम् अस्ति मुंबई नगर्याम् their house is in Mumbai Nagari whose house their house तेषां whose that theirs their house so tesham tasya tayoho tesham tasya is the ekavachanam of saha which is he and his tayoho his and one more person to his tesham all of the male people standing there similar example etasya pustakam his book masculine etayoho bhavanam two people are standing near me and I'm telling etayoho bhavanam eva etat etayoho bhavanam eva etat it means these two people and their house is only this one that I'm sitting in front of me right now etayoho bhavanam eva etayoho bhavanam there two people their house etesham bhavanam all these people and etesham patashala etesham vidyalayam etesham building etesham bhavanam etesham all theirs all of them are masculine gender kasya bhavanam whose house his house kasya bhavanam pavai nagare pavai upanagare asti kasya nagaram pavai upanagare asti etasya bhavanam pavai upanagare asti suppose after a program and I want to go so I want to have a lift with somebody so I'll ask na kasya bhavanam kasya griham bhavanam I told you is building so let us not use bhavanam here let us use griham kasya griham pavai nagare asti whose house is in pavai nagare I will ask somebody will tell me aham so somebody will tell me etasya his house etasya griham pointing to somebody near me etasya griham pavai nagare asti then I say okay I'll come with you aham bhavatah along with you aham bhavatah saha agachami I will come with you aham no it's not actually bhavatah saha so it is bhavata saha so when you use saha use tritiya vibhakti but let us not get into that so we will not learn about bhavata and all that I will say I'll come with you aham agachami kasya griham pavai nagare asti etasya griham pavai nagare asti what will I say aham agachami I'll come with you then somebody else wants to go to let us say to Vashi kasya griham Vashi nagare Vashi upanagare asti tasya griham Vashi upanagare asti so one of my friend is pointing to that person far away from me and telling me tasya griham his house then I'll go to him and say I'll come with you aham agamishyami तस्य गृहं वाशी नगरे अस्ति एतस्य गृहं पवई उपनगरे अस्ति कस्य गृहं कुत्र अस्ति whose house is where कस्य गृहं whose house is there suppose you don't know whose house is where so we all want to plan to go after the party is over somebody wants to go to some people have cars and bikes and all that some people don't have so we will ask this question कस्य गृहं कुत्र अस्ति whose house is where then somebody will say mama griham pavai nagare asti upanagare asti somebody will say mama griham vashi upanagare asti vashi upanagaryam asti that is the right way because vashi strilingam eva upanagari upanagaryam tasya is the ekavachanam tayoho is the tasya tayoho tesham ekavachanam divachanam bahuvachanam tasya tayoho griham tesham griham all their house tesham griham pavai nagare pavai upanagariyam asti tesham all their house tesham means all theirs etasya griham etayoho griham etesham griham his house two people their house it's very difficult to teach Sanskritam through English okay because it's very easy for me to learn to teach in a Indian language so that because it's very difficult to teach in English. So I hope you're understanding the meaning of it. Etasya griham, his house. Etayoho griham, two people, their house, two people. In Malayalam we say randu perudeയും. In English it's difficult to say. Two people and theirs I have to say. Which is not the right way, but I'm hoping you're understanding the meaning of it. Arthabodham bahu avashyakam eva. तादृशं करोति अर्थबोधम् आगच्छति चेदेव अनन्तरं सम्भाषणं कर्तुं धैर्यं मनसि आगच्छन्ति. To get the confidence for you to speak, you should know the arthabodham of tasya tayoho tesham. Kasya kayoho kesham kayoho. Kayoho griham povai nagaryam asti. The answer will be tayoho griham. I know that two people are having their house in Povai Nagaram. So I'll ask this question. Kayoho griham Povai Nagare asti. Kayoho griham Povai Nagare asti. Tayoho griham Povai Nagare asti. Those two people are standing. Their two people, their house is in Povai Nagara. Kesham is the bahuvachanam of that. Kasya kayoho kesham. Whose ekavachanam, whose dvivachanam, whose bahuvachanam is kasya kayoh kesham. Kesham rashram bharatam. Suppose I am in a conference, a lot of Germans are standing, a lot of French are standing, a lot of Italians are standing, and a lot of English Indians are also standing. And let us assume that everybody knows Sanskritam. So I'll ask Kesham rashram bharatam. Whose country is Bharatam? Tesham rashram bharatam. So the German fellow who knows Sanskrit, he will tell the others Tesham. Theirs. A lot of men are standing there. Tesham Rashtram Bharatam. Kesham Rashtram Bharatam. Tesham Rashtram Bharatam. And they're all standing near the German fellow. He'll say, Etesham Rashtram Bharatam. Etesham Rashtram Bharatam. The feminine of that, Tasya Tayoho Tesham will become Tasyaha Tayoho Tasam. Tasyaha Griham Tayoho Griham Tasam Griham. One lady's house, two ladies in their one single house. Tasam Griham. A lot of people from a family are there, and all of them are girls and ladies. Mother, auntie, mother-in-law, father. All the ladies are there. So what will I say? Tasam Griham. Sa is the lady who's far away. Esha is a lady who's nearby. That is Esha. Etasyaha. Etasyaha Lekhani. Her pen. Etayo Lekhani. Etayoho Lekhani means there two people are standing in Dononka. It belongs to both of them. Etayoho Lekhani. It belongs to both of them. Etasam Patashala. Etasam Patashala. Ityukte, lot of ladies are standing nearby, and this Patashala is belongs to them, or it is their Patashala. Doesn't belong to them technically. It is their Patashala. Etasam Patashala. Their Patashala. Etasam Vidyalayam. All of these ladies standing here, and their Vidyalayam, their Patashala, you say Etasam. Kasyaha Pustakam Etat. I got a book, and I know all the girls are there, and I know it's one of those girls. So I know the answer is going to be in ladies in the Freelingam form. So I'll ask Kasyaha Pustakam Etat. Kasyaha Pustakam Etat is the question. The answer will be, if somebody knows the real name, he'll say Parvatyaha Pustakam Etat, because it is written here. Parvati is written here. So Parvatyaha Pustakam Etat. Or somebody doesn't know the name of Parvati, but he knows it is her book, because he saw that girl moving around with this Pravesha Pustakaha. So he'll say Tasyaha Pustakam Etat. Tasyaha Pustakam Etat. Or that lady standing nearby, but he doesn't know the name, so he'll say Etasyaha Pustakam Etat. Etat is this. Whose book is this? Etasyaha Pustakam Etat. I got two saris. For some reason, I got two saris, and I know it belongs to two ladies. Kayoha Shatike. Kayoho Shatike. Who's Shatike? So Etayoho Shatike. Two ladies are there, and it belongs to them. So Etayoho. Two ladies. Etayoho. Tayoho Shatike. It means two ladies are there, but they are far away. Tasam Shat. Tasam is Bahuvachanam of Tasyaha. Tasam Griham. Their book. Their Griham. Etasam Griham. Their house, but only they are standing near me. Kasam Griham Kutra Tatra. Whose house is there? A lot of people are standing, and then you're asking this question. Kasam Griham Vashi Nagaryam Asti. Kasam Griham Vashi Nagaryam Asti. Kasam matlab lot of ladies are standing, and their house is in Vashi Nagaram. So you will say Tasam Griham Vashi Nagaryam Asti. Tasam Griham. And if it is men, you will say Tesham griham, all theirs and their house. Tasam griham is the lady form of the feminine form of that. So let us now just, we have learned a lot of stuff. Tasya tayoho tesham, etasya etayoho etesham, kasya kayoho kesham. That is the saha, eshaha, kaha. These are all pullinga forms. Strilinga forms is tasyaha, tayoho, tasam, etasyaha, etayoho, etasam, kasyaha, kayoho, kasam. Luckily, the Napumsakalinga form is the same as the Pullinga form. Mitrasya griham, mitrayoho griham, mitranam griham. Tasya tayoho tesham. Tasya tayoho kesham. Tesham is ekavajanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam of Napumsakalingam. Etasya etayoho etesham. Kasya kayoho kesham. Kasya is, the answer is in Napumsakalingam, but it's a mitram. So the question is, kasya griham kutra tatra. So tasya griham tatra. Mitrasya tasya. Tas mitrasya griham tatra. Kayoho is tayoho. So tasya tayoho tesham. Etasya etayoho etesham. Kasya kayoho kesham is exactly like Pullinga forms. So if you memorize the Pullinga forms of kasya kayoho, tasya tayoho tesham, etasya etayoho etesham, kasya kayoho kesham, that's the Pullinga form. Napumsakalingam is exactly like that. Okay. I want to, it's 8:51 and we have 10 more minutes, but I will finish what I want to finish and then I will ask questions, because otherwise we will get a little late in the class today. So one Subhashidam is there, some very famous Subhashidam is there. Hastasya bhushanam danam. Hastasya bhushanam danam. Satyam kandhasya bhushanam. Satyam kandhasya bhushanam. Shrotrasya bhushanam shastram. Bhushanaihi kim prayojanam. Bhushanaihi kim prayojanam. Hastasya Shashti Vibhakti. So this is a Subhashidam. Subhashidam means something. Subhashidam. Su, I have already told you, this Upasarga of Su. Su means something very good. Subhashidam, Sanskritam has got thousands of Subhashidams, tens of thousands of Subhashidams, whether it is Chanakya Sutrams or whether it is Mahabharatam, whether it is Ramayanam, whether it is verses from Bhartrihari's Niti Shatakam, thousands of Subhashidams, timeless value Subhashidams. So I thought that in every Vibhakti class, I will introduce some Subhashidams related to that particular Vibhakti. So today, Shashti Vibhakti class, so I'll introduce some Shashti Vibhakti Subhashidams, maybe 2 Shashti Vibhakti Subhashidams. There will be other Vibhaktis also. We will ignore that right now. We will focus on the Shashti part of it. Hastasya Bhushanam Danam. Hasta means hand. Hands Bhushanam. Bhushanam is ornament. Hand, hands, apostrophe S. So Shashti Vibhakti will come. Hastasya Bhushanam Danam. The ornament of the hand is giving. I don't need to even explain it. You can understand it yourself, but I'll explain so that for people who have just gotten in doubt, they can clarify it. Hastasya Bhushanam Danam. The ornament of the hand or the hand's ornament is giving. Hands sambandha agachati iti karana tatra shashti vibhakti agachati. The hands ornament is danam, giving, donation. Satyam kandhasya bhushanam. Kandha is neck, vocal cords. Atreva. Kandhasya bhushanam. Kandhas bhushanam. Sambandha agachati shashti vibhakti. The next ornament or the decoration of the throat. The throat's decoration is speaking the truth. Satyam kandhasya bhushanam. The Subhashidam is not written here. Don't worry about it. I will after this class send you the Subhashidam. Satyam kandhasya bhushanam. Shrotrasya bhushanam shastram. Shrotrasya. That asya has come Shashti Vibhakti. Shrotrasya means ear. Ears, the ornament. Bhushanam is ornament. Ears, bhushanam is knowledge. Shastram is knowledge and all those good things. So Shastram is knowledge in this Subhashidam. The ears ornament is Shastram. Shrotrasya Bhushanam Shastram. Bhushanaihi Kim Prayojanam. These are the real ornaments. These are the real ornaments. Bhushanaihi Kim Prayojanam. If a person has all of these, he doesn't need any other ornaments on his body. You don't need to go and buy jewelry and gold and diamond and platinum and all that. Hastasya Bhushanam Danam. Satyam Kandhasya Bhushanam. Shrotrasya Bhushanam Shastram. Bhushanaihi Kim Prayojana. The ornament of the hand is giving. The throat's ornament or the ornament of the throat is speaking the truth. The ornament of the ear is knowledge. The ear's ornament is knowledge. So the throats, the ears, the hands, that is all showing Sambandha. So it will be showing Shashti Vibhakti. Then what is the use of other ornaments? That is what this particular Subhashitam is talking. So Shashti Vibhakti has been used in Subhashitam. I'll send you the Subhashitam and its explanation in later after this class. There is one more Subhashitam, again Shashti Vibhakti eva. Narasyabharanam Rupam, Rupasyabharanam Gunaha, Gunasyabharanam Jnanam, Jnanasyabharanam Kshama. Shashti Vibhakti Subhashitam eva. That is the reason why I am explaining, why I am telling you this. Narasyabharanam Rupam. Nara is human being. Narasyabharanam Rupam. A human being's abharanam and bhushanam in the earlier Subhashit the same meaning. Narasya abharanam. The naras, the human beings. Apostrophe is Shashti Vibhakti. Narasya abharanam Rupam. Rupam is beauty. So the ornament of a man or a woman, let us say for example, nara atra pullingam eva, narasya abharanam, because asya will come for only akara and the pullinga shabdam, I told you. Naito it will become yaha. So narasya, here it is pullingam eva. So narasya abharanam rupam. The ornament of a man is beauty. Rupasya abharanam gunaha. Rupasya abharanam gunaha. The abharanam of the beauty is the qualities, the virtues. Gunaha eva. The virtues are the ornament of the rupam, of the beauty. Gunasya abharanam jnanam. Gunas abharanam. The virtues abharanam or ornament is jnanam, knowledge. Jnanasya abharanam shama. You can have beauty. The beauty's ornament is virtue. The virtue's ornament is jnanam, knowledge. But the knowledge's ornament is shama, patience. So that is what the Subhashitam is. Narasyabharanam rupam, rupasyabharanam gunaha, gunasyabharanam jnanam, jnanasyabharanam shama. Narasyabharanam rupam, rupasyaabharanam gunaha, gunasyabharanam jnanam, jnanasyabharanam kshama. Shashti Vibhakti is used here in both Hastasya Bhushanam Dhanam, Satyam Kandhasya Bhushanam, Shrotrasya Bhushanam, Shastram, Bhushanaihi Kim Prayojanam. If you have all these ornaments, what is the point of having any ornament? Do you have these ornaments on your body?